It's been 10 years and GTA 6 still isn't out, so today I'm gonna make it in under 10 minutes. But how can I make GTA faster than an entire game company like Rockstar? Well, because I'm obviously better. So I opened up Unity and made a new project called GTA 6. I don't know how to write 6 in Roman numerals. So I started making a ground and I realized this doesn't look anything like GTA. So I'm gonna need to do some 3D modeling. Now normally if you want to make 3D models, you need talent, skills, a father figure, years of experience, all of which I don't have. So instead, I'm gonna use AI, specifically Tripo. You basically give it an image and it turns it into a 3D model. So our GTA needs some buildings. So I took this image from Google and I put it into Tripo. Now let's see what it generates. Okay. Why is there no colors? My dumbass didn't select 8K texture. Let's do that one more time. There we go. Now that looks like GTA if I've ever seen it. I've hooked you guys up with 500 bonus credits if you click the link in my description and sign up to Tripo. Thanks for sponsoring this video. Now let's see if we can export and put this into Unity. That was easy. The detailing on this is pretty good as well, especially because it got all of this from a 2D image. Wow, that's crazy. So now we have the city, but we don't have anything to go around the city in. And my favorite thing to do in GTA is to ride cars. Yeah. So let's go back to Tripo and ask it to generate a car instead of us looking it up on the internet. And it gives us 4 options and I think I like this one. So let's click generate 3D and put it into Unity. Okay, now that's really cool. It got the text right and everything. So now I've put it into Unity, but I think there's a slight issue. The car's as big as the whole city. So the plan now is to make it small. So after hours of intense mathematic computation, we finally did it. Then I made it so that the car can walk. One sec. So now the car can walk forwards, but it still doesn't look that great. So let me change a couple more things. And now we can go through buildings. Oh, and under them. Wow, okay. But hey, at least we can jump over okay. Give me one more sec. So then I added a road, a gas station, some water, some trees, a mountain. So now let's see what GTA 6 actually looks like. Wow, the car actually works and the 3D model in the back looks so beautiful. And we can go ahead and, okay, I know there is some space, but, let's pretend that didn't happen. You know what? This is actually way more fun because you definitely can't do this in any other GTA. Wow, this game is so bad. But hey, at least the 3D model of the city that I designed looks really pretty. And that's all that matters. Thanks everyone for watching. And thanks again Tripo for sponsoring this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.